the best nail drill out there may be a good idea. It is a nifty little tool that not only helps cleanse and polish your nail. There are many products available to choose nail drills, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best nail drills from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bura MP64 Nail Drill Kit. The nail drill kit gives you salon-like nails at home. The high-quality attachments allow you to shape, file, or buff your nails anywhere. The cordless feature of the machine makes it appropriate for travel, and the storage case can keep all your accessories organized. The built-in LED light illuminates the nail area, helping an efficient cuticle and callus removal to deliver a more refined finish. You can use the drill on natural, gel, or acrylic nails. The speed of the device ranges between 0–30,000 RPM. The adjustment facility makes the device suitable for all skin types, even people with thick nails or diabetes. Number 2. BELLASONIC 4-in-1 Rechargeable Electric Nail File Set. The shaping disc shapes and files the tips and edges of the nails. Smoothing disc smooths calloused, dead skin and nail edges. Buffing disc buffs away excess cuticles and smooths nail surface. And shining disc gives nails a high gloss shine. These discs provide the best nail grooming experience without burning. The high and low power setting does not break or damage the nails. This electric nail file functions smoothly. It is suitable for people with arthritis, limited dexterity, weak hands, or less flexibility. It removes gel nails easily and aids in the repair of the damage that the acrylic nails and gel polish has caused. Number 3. TOUCH Beauty Electric Nail File. The Touch Beauty Electric Nail File is a cordless nail drill that comes with 5 optional attachments to remove cuticles and smooth calluses and corns. You can also use this multifunctional nail file set to polish, buff, engrave, drill, sharpen, and shine your fingernails and toenails. It features a quiet and strong motor with variable speeds up to 9,500 RPM. This nail drill also features a built-in UV light nail dryer, anti-slip handle, single button operation, and comes in a storage stand. It is lightweight and uses 2 AAA batteries for operation. Number 4. Melody Suzy 30,000 RPM Professional Nail Drill Scarlet. The Melody Suzy Professional Nail Drill works through a foot pedal that allows you to control the nail drill from your feet. It has low and quiet vibrations that make it easy to hold the device steadily while using it. You can adjust the rotations between 0–15,000 RPM for natural nails, 15,000–25,000 RPM for acrylic and natural nails, and 25,000–30,000 RPM for professional nail artwork. With the forward and reverse buttons, you can change the direction of the drill. It can be used by both left-handed and right-handed people. The device is lightweight and generates low heat for easier handling. Holly Watts, a celebrity nail artist, approves of this and says that it is great for licensed beginners. Number 5. Finishing Touch Flawless Salon Nails Kit. The Finishing Touch Flawless Salon Nails Kit is just the kit you need for doing a perfect mani-pedi at home without expensive nail appointments. The kit contains salon-quality tools that shape, file, grind, smoothen, buff, shine, and clean your nails and preps them for gel nail polish application. With forward and reverse directions and high and low speeds, you can customize your experience according to your needs. The device removes cracked dry skin, rough areas, and tough calluses. The LED view gives you a clear view that allows you to work on your nails with precision. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.